Hi guys, welcome to our GRS channel. Today we're gonna introduce our very own glass doctor. He was supposed to fix the chipped glass this time. Can you imagine that? I'm still kind of doubting if it's possible, isn't it? Okay, let's see how it goes. Please attention to his left hand. You can see there was not dust floating in the air, even though he was shaving the glass. That vacuum sucks dust, and 99% of the air doesn't go out through a filter. He takes care of environment, nature, human, and animals. He covered with resin and put UV to make it turn solid. He was repeating this way with putting the air inside. The glass texture was getting back to the original one. I'm strongly surprised by his technique to design while fixing. Then he made the resin surface smooth and natural with a blade and a file. In general, he made a glass surface as flat as possible, but this time that glass was not normal one, which had some bumps, dips, and bubbles. So he must have taken a special way. I'm excited to see how he finished up.
マスキングテープより上のとこですよね。はい。ちょっと近寄ってみてもいいですか。ああ。なるほど。これはわからないですよね。
何かどこかにありますって言われて、どこですか。
わかんないですね。それは絶対。
まずパッと見自分からすると合格ですこれは。パッと見まずわからないです。
ですよね。
素敵な模様に同化させていただきます。ありがとうございます。